Listen, I know you're frustrated because you want to get your home sold. But with this lockdown, you just don't think it can be done. But you know what? It can be done. I have the plan, and I'm going to tell you how to increase the value of your home while you're in this lockdown. Stick around, I'll tell you all about it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my 5-part plan that's proven and effective. And I know it'll get you results. But before we get started, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. I've got the links in this post. If you like what I'm saying, hit a like and leave me a comment. It would be much appreciated. So let's get into my plan. So the first thing we have to do is we have to wrap our brains around the idea that we are not going to be doing any open houses. So we have to come up with creative ways to reach as many folks as possible. I can do that. The second part of the plan is we're going to create a video online tour for potential buyers to come take a look at your home for the very first time, but safely online. This is really easy for somebody with marketing experience and video experience. Step 3 is we're going to create a cleaning plan so that we keep your home safe for both you and others who need to visit. At some point, a buyer's going to come in, an inspector's going to come in, another real estate professional. So we're going to set up a plan to make sure that all counters are cleaned before and after any visits, and that includes door handles, faucets, and such. Number 4 is we're going to set up teleconferencing and digital signing for all negotiations and any in-person signings we need to do. This could also include your initial listing signing. Step 5 is we need to create a massive social media advertising plan that will target potential buyers to see your home and get interested. When done right, we can actually reach more people than if we would have allowed open houses and such. I have the marketing experience, I have the expertise, and I will work hard to make sure it works for you. You need a real estate professional that has a history of proven results and who will have your best interests in mind in these peculiar and trying times. I am just that person. So as promised, here's 4 tips to make your home more valuable and more attractive to buyers. Tip number 1. Landscaping is the simplest way to make your house more attractive to buyers. Trim the bushes, put in some colorful flowers, and lay some new bark dust. After all, you have the time. Tip number 2 is install new interior door handles and kitchen knobs on the cabinets. It's a very quick, easy, fairly inexpensive way to improve the look of the inside of your home, and all of the home improvement stores, or almost all of them, are still open. Tip number 3 is get rid of those funky colored painted rooms in your home. Listen, it was fine that you allowed your child to pick their room color, but a new buyer is not going to want that bright pink bedroom. It's easy to do, and paint is cheap. My last tip is to clean your home to make it look better and smell better. This has never been more important than it is right now. Remember, people do remember the smells. Make it smell nice. Well, there you have it. These are my ideas to get your home sold and to make it more attractive. But do you have any ideas? If you do, if I missed something, give me a comment. Let me know any other ideas that you have that you think will help get your home sold. This virus lockdown has created huge problems for anyone who's trying to sell their home. That's why you need somebody like me who has proven track record of getting things done in trying times and who has the professionalism to have your best interests. Please reach out to me and give me a call if I can help you. As always, I appreciate you watching my video. Please reach out to me if I can help you sell your home. Remember, be well, be safe, be kind, and laugh. Thank you.